monetized. There we go, and we're good. No. Wait. No. We did it. We finally did it. Now I know what you're thinking. Hey Anthony, $1 isn't a lot to do things, but trust me, we're gonna find something interesting to do.
I just want the money back.
Okay.
I just want the money. I just want the money.
No.
I just want the money, baby.
That's disgusting, no.
I just want the money.
Yanks!
Can't let me the fair but a try. Well,
1, 2, 3, 6.
tryna get me some money. Just wanna fucking lay up all night.
2,000 years later.
What the hell? Are you kidding me?
Tryna get me some money. I can't.
I'm so sick and tired of this Sudoku. Let's see an app that we can actually buy that we'll have some fun with. Shit.
Stay down till I get right. I'm tryna. Stay whatever flavor you like. Long you sending your money.
Give me
I
that.
just want
I can make this $1 disappear. Wait, I want it back. Where'd it go?
I just want the money, baby.
Okay. Yo, what the hell? No. No way. What the f-
Baby, I just want the money.
Hey guys, and welcome to the DIY channel. This is your girl Tori, and today I went to the $1 store and bought up some amazing things, and believe it or not, each thing you see is under $1. So let's review them and see if they're yes or pass.
Give me some money. Send the pay.
Come on. No. You know you want it. For the millionth time, giving me $1 will not make me want to be your friend. Hey, just be my friend, please. Just take the $1. Alright, fine, for your money.
Baby, I just want the money.
Oh no. Wait a minute. Oh yeah.
I just want the money, baby.
So let's see what movies you can get. The hell is this? Seabiscuit. Wait. Oh, it's $8.
I just want the money.
I wish I could live over there. Millions of dollars, riches beyond belief. But if only there was a way.
I just want the money, baby.
Oh, thank God. Whew.
I just want the money.
Great, now how do I write on it?
All she wanted was 200.
Patrick! No! Patrick! No! Why did you put it? No! Grab it, man! Grab it! Hurry! 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 No, Pat! No, no! Get it, Pat! Get it! 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 No!
Wanna bite?
In the fender bags in the trunk of the
Actually, you know what? Going all in this year. $100 and number 2, he's gonna win. Big payday, boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, what do you do? No, no.
I knew to this money. I'm so consistent with.
So today, we're gonna answer the age-old question: what is inside a $1 bill? Anthony wearing eyeglasses. Well, they help me see, and plus I don't have normal glasses. And why are you wearing a raincoat? Well, safety doesn't take a holiday, so we have to make sure that we're safe. Here's a moment of truth. What's inside a $1 bill? They don't work. Oh, wow, what? No. Oh my God. No way. What? See, you can see that there's paper and it continues throughout as if it was like a normal sheet of paper. Because I thought, wow. There goes 5 years of hard work on YouTube. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like rating. If we get to $3, I can buy my own fidget spinner, so please get me to $3. That'll be the most exciting day in my life. And, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.